Can the island find a balance between skyrocketing school taxes and shrinking opportunities for our students? That was the question we asked this evening during a very special edition of Long Island Talks. News 12 Long Island's Michael Baldwin joins us now with more on that. Michael.
Yeah, on one side were homeowners who felt overtaxed, on the other school administrators who have taken the heat for growing school budgets. Most people agree something needs to be done, but pinpointing an answer to what's up with school taxes isn't easy.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to our special 90-minute edition of Long Island Talks.
It was a News 12 special asking a simple question. What's up with school taxes? The discussion included several guests and live remotes all across the island. One subject on the lesson plan, teacher pay. It accounts for 70% of school district spending.
I don't for one second believe that paying somebody more money makes them better at their job, Lee.
We are one of the few professions that are out there that have a mandatory master's degree program that we have to get. I am paying a lot on my student loans right now. I haven't seen any of my pay raises because I have to put back into paying off my education.
The town hall discussion also covered the very well-paid Long Island school superintendents. There are 124 of them, with most making more than $175,000 a year. 5 superintendents earn nearly double Governor Cuomo's salary, taking home more than $300,000.
School administrators should not make more than the governor of New York State. The governor governs all of New York State and all of its counties.
You want to find somebody who will work for $140,000, somebody who will do a superintendency for $90,000. Go to Nebraska. But take a look at the results they're getting, too.
For years, the taxpayers were told it was for the children, when really it was just about salaries and benefits.
A cap on property taxes was also on the agenda. A Quinnipiac poll says 4 out of 5 New Yorkers support the idea.
The property tax cap is important because people are dying. They are choking on their property taxes.
One of the issues we have on Long Island is the gap between our wealthy and poor districts. And I think one thing that our research has shown consistently is that a property tax cap will expand that gap.
2 words that seemed to flow through this discussion was mandated relief from the state. It seems that was a topic everyone agreed needs some reform.